Half my plate is vegetables.
A quarter is whole grains.
And a quarter is meat and alternatives.
The Healthy Plate is our message for eating healthy. If you take a plate no more than 9 inches in diameter and fill half of it with vegetables, 1/4 of it with whole grains, and 1/4 of it with meat or meat alternatives, you're going to be having a very healthy meal. We've seen increasing rates of diabetes because for years people have been eating too many refined carbohydrates. If you fill your plate with vegetables, which are lower in sugar, it's going to help reduce the risk of diseases like diabetes. If you're going to have grains, make sure they're whole grains, whole wheat pasta, brown rice. But the most important message, if you fill half your plate with a variety of vegetables, you're going to be eating healthy, and it's easy to do.
Vancouver Coastal Health. For more, please visit us at vch.ca.